Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Luigi's Mansion 3. First, familiarize yourself with Luigi's basic movements and the Poltergust G-00. You'll use the Poltergust to vacuum up ghosts and objects, and to stun enemies with the straw bulb. Don't forget about Luigi, your gooey companion, who can access areas Luigi cannot. Mastering these fundamentals is key to exploring the last resort hotel and rescuing your friends. When encountering ghosts, first stun them with your straw bulb, then vacuum them in. Once caught, you can repeatedly slam them to reduce their health faster. Remember to use the dark light device to uncover invisible items and reveal hidden paths throughout the hotel. Exploring every nook and cranny is crucial for finding collectibles and progressing through the game's many floors. Luigi's Mansion 3 is full of clever puzzles that often require both Luigi and Luigi working together. Switch between them to reach new areas or activate mechanisms. Keep an eye out for hidden gems and large sums of money, as these are scattered across every floor. Don't be afraid to experiment with your Poltergust on various objects. You might just uncover a secret passage or a valuable collectible. Each boss in Luigi's Mansion 3 presents a unique challenge, so pay close attention to their attack patterns to discover their weaknesses. Timing your straw bulb flashes and vacuum attacks is essential for success. Always remember to save your progress often at the various save points throughout the hotel. And hey, for staying refreshed during your gaming sessions, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Good luck, Ghost Hunter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.